everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Room category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb and guests love the environment. Them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available along with various plans and for booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting.